unboxing some dog panties from Working Dog Pool Coats. So let's get started. So they come in this really cool packaging. That's like, it says Working Dog Pool Coats on it, and then there are the panties inside. Open it up, you can see that the panties come in nicely folded. Nice little leopard print ones, and they have Velcro and a little tail hole here. It's actually a pretty big tail hole, not little. Ones with tigers on them, and they look like they'll fit you really nicely. And the tail holes on them too. So they look pretty good. I like the packing because it has like a little Corso on it and stuff. Gucci is going to wear these, and now we'll cut to a pot. We can try them on. I definitely recommend these panties to any dog that is inactive in panties or doesn't like to run around in them, because whenever we put the Amazon panties on her, she always avoids running around and just looks for a seat. As you can see right now, she's actually running around and walking in them normally. She usually limps with other panties on. She's going to play with a ball, and it's really amazing how she's running around in them because this is her first time, and she's just learned that she can actually run around these panties and showing that they're really comfortable for her. These other leopard print panties look so cute on her, and the tail hole is the perfect size for her tail. Another problem we had with other panties was that the tail hole was just way too small, and I definitely really recommend these panties to any Mastiff